It's Mason from UPW Capital. Please take note of the risk disclaimer. Everything provided in the video is strictly for educational purposes. Please also hit the subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends and your family. Welcome to 2020. We made it. Now it's our time to shine bright like never before. Price action analysis. We're going to cover Euro USD, US crude oil, USDZAR, and finally USD Jpy. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We've marked some significant levels. This would be called resistance. We also have support, support at the level of 1.187. We also have multiple support levels right here at the 1.056 level. And we could also place one more level right here. What makes this level significant? We also have resistance, support, and we have multiple resistance at 1.240. Another way to simplify our trading is by the use of a trend line or trend channel. In our case, we have 4 touches on the top of the channel, and at the bottom we have 3 touches. We can now say that if price closed below this channel, there would be an expectation for price to be attracted to the bottom of the channel. And if you look at the left hand side, we have price, and price gives us clues. And the other option is price could actually push higher. Let us look at the 4-hour chart to see how we can tackle Euro USD. This candle was the 2021 candle. Price actually pushed higher. If price can pull back or move a little lower and then eventually push higher than this candle right here, this would give me a clue that price would want to be attracted to 1.187 level. The other option is price closes below this level, then it would give me a clue that price would be attracted to the downward channel or the end of the channel. So this is how I'm looking at, or rather how I'm going to tackle Euro USD. Let us look at the next instrument, which is crude oil. This is the monthly chart in terms of marking of the levels. So let's look at the 86 level. So we have resistance. You can see we have multiple support levels, and we also have another resistance level right here. That brings significant. You can also say the more touches, better. At the 75 level, we also have resistance here, support. At the 102.26 level, we have multiple. You see we have congestion around this area. So I'm favoring buys. Let us drop to the weekly chart. As you can see, if you look to the left, structure gives us clues. We have a resistance, and we also have another resistance right here with this wick. This also gives us a clue that could potentially have another resistance level. So price could actually drop lower from this resistance level or area. If price gives me a pullback, and then eventually pushes out higher. Breakout candle gives me the clue the price could be attracted to the 86 level. That's how I would tackle a buy. As for signal for the sell side, if price pushes lower, then I would say price could be potentially attracted to this level and right at the bottom. So these are my projections for crude oil. Let us look at USDZAR. Again, a great resistance level or area, 11.9, which in the future becomes converted to support. If you scroll back, you can also look at this level, 13.84, another lovely resistance level, which actually gets supported once and it gets supported twice. Now if you look at USDZAR, there is a definite pattern. Price pushes up, moves lower, price pushes up, moves lower, pushes up, moves lower. We could actually draw a trend line, and we could say price could actually be attracted to the upper part of the trend line, somewhere around there. Let us look at the weekly chart. In our case, this candle here, X, is larger than the previous candle. That gives us a clue the price could move higher. If we break above 15.91, then I would be interested in buying this, buying the rand, buying USDZAR. I'll look for a type of pullback followed by a breakout. As soon as we have a breakout, I'll be looking at this trade. Now as for sells, if we close below this level, price could actually be attracted to the 14.75 level. That's my jewel plan, if you can call it that. Let us look at the next instrument, which is USD Jpy. Again, we're going to start off with the resistance and support levels. 101, we have a support level, another support level. Let me zoom out. You can see multiple support levels. So 101 is important to us. 124, resistance, important. 114, in the past we've had multiple rejections or resistance at this level. If we go down to our week, here we are on the weekly chart, we had a breakout candle right here. This gives us a clue the price could actually be attracted to this level, and after this level price could be attracted to this level here. Those are my projections for these instruments. So we've come to the end of the video. Until the next video, goodbye.